Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve 3 power x minus 2 is equals to 4 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So according to exponent rule, x power m minus n, we can write it as x power m by x power n. Similarly, 3 power x by 3 power 2 is equals to 4. So 3 power x by 3 square is 9 is equals to 4. If I multiply both sides by 9, so we can eliminate this. 3 power x is equals to 36. Now I'm taking log on both sides. So log 3 power x is equals to log 36. So x log 3 is equals to log 36. So if I divide both sides by log 3, we can cancel out this. So x is equals to log 36 by log 3. You can leave this here if you don't know about the values of log, and if you know the value, you can put it. So the value of log 3 is 0.477, while the value of log 36 is 1.556. So x is equals to 1.556 by 0.477, which gives the value of x is 3.26. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.